Hi guys, it is Martha of Just Martha Designs, and today the April paper pumpkin box arrived, and so I'm going to be opening it up. Make sure that my camera is nice and centered. Sorry, don't mean to make you all dizzy and all. So, paper pumpkin came today, and I'm going to do a live opening. You'll get to see it the same time that I do. Well, it's not a live opening, but anyways, you'll get to see it same time that I do. So, April, the only thing I know about April is that when the when I saw the order online, it said some anchors away. So, I'm assuming that's going to be kind of a hint. But, look at there. Oh my goodness, y'all, seriously. So, the little stamping spot is the Island Indigo. I love these little things. And this is a cute stamps. Oh my goodness, look at there. You are my anchor. Congratulations. You're a lifesaver. Adventure awaits. Thanks. Little water and oh, I love the nautical theme. So, little lighthouse. This is going to be great. I can't wait. I'm actually going to use this for something. I know exactly what I'm going to use it for. And it's not going to be what's in here. So, that's kind of interesting. So, let's take a sneak peek at what all we have inside. So, here are the instructions. Everything is contained in the pack. So I'm going to set my box aside. And open up this so that you can kind of see what's in here. And this is the instruction booklet, and so it has all the different items that you can actually make, along with the instructions. So we have some twine. And these are like little envelopes, little square envelopes. Rubber band in there. So there are 3, 6, so there are 7 of these little square envelopes. And 7 of these. These are really cute. Some of the mini Stampin' Dimensionals. And what looks to be about 6 of these envelopes. And then these are, interesting. Not really sure what those are. And some pre-cut cardstock that's already been scored. Oh, okay, these must be boxes, and these are the box. So it makes like one of those sliding matchbox kind of box, because there are just as many of these as there are of these. And then some little cutouts that match the stamps. And the same thing here. So you have several of these. Little punch outs. And then some little ink, I mean not ink, but little glue dots. I'm thinking about that indigo, Island Indigo ink. So these are the little like matchbox kind of slide boxes. I'm so sorry, the train decided to come through at the same time that I decided to do this. Who knew? So here are like the instructions to how to create the different cards. You even have like a little ruler on the sheet that comes with it. So this is gonna be so cute. I love it. These are nice. Little cards, little square. Yay. So it says that the kit includes the You Are My Anchor photopolymer stamp set, the Island Indigo Stampin' Spot, 20 card bases. Those are these right here. So 20 card bases, 20 printed envelopes, 6 die cut element sheets. Those are these right here. 4 printed box bases and 4 printed box lids, 6 yards of the rope twine, and 100 adhesive dots, and 100 mini Stampin' the mini dimensionals. Yay! So that's really cute. The coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors are the Calypso Coral, the Island Indigo, and Pool Party. So this is the Island Indigo, this is the Pool Party, and this is the Coral Calypso Coral, excuse me. And it's usually like a little darker, that darker coral. That's so cute. But the paper pumpkin that comes each month always comes with a stamp set and everything that you need to create whatever it is that is the craft for the month. So this is like an entire kit. And each month is different, and each month has a different theme, and I'm so excited about this month. I mean, I love it. I'm actually going to take the anchor and create and the lighthouse and create some little charms because I love to make jewelry and things out of some of my stamps. I'm so excited about this. This is going to be so cool. But every month, if you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, you can get details for subscribing to Paper Pumpkin in the directions below, or the description below. I cannot talk, it's been a long day. In the description box below, you'll find the information for how to sign up for Paper Pumpkin. Paper Pumpkin is $19.95 in US dollars. $19.95 a month. It is a subscription service, and you subscribe to it, and every month they will bill you for that month's kit, and they will ship it to you, and that takes place on the 10th. So the 10th of every month, you have to be signed up for it. You can choose to get 1 month, or you can turn around and you can get a couple of months, maybe hold off on a month. However you want to do that's fine. There's really no obligation. If you just want to get 1 kit, you can subscribe and get 1 kit, and you can find that information if you go to justmarthadesigns.com. There is a link to shop, and if you click shop, it'll take you in there, and you can purchase just 1 paper pumpkin and fill that out online, and actually just get that 1 just to try it out and do that. But Paper Pumpkin, I love the little kits, and sometimes I use the kits as is, and sometimes I use the little pieces for other different things from time to time. So it's just a wonderful little kit, and you get all these little supplies that you may not want to buy a whole thing. So for example, you may not want to buy a large ink pad of the Island Indigo, but here you get to kind of sample it out and see if you actually like the color. Same thing goes with some of the little dimensionals and the little embellishments that they send, like the little rope twine. So it's great. It's really a great way to try out a lot of different products and a lot of different things that you probably wouldn't do. And if you're not that crafty, I mean, these things are already pre-cut. They're pre-scored. So all you have to do is you're just folding them and stamping them and building them. So these things are already taken care of. They even have the adhesive already on there. So it's not as though you're trying to create something completely from scratch. So if you're just looking for something really quick to do, these are a great alternative to, purchasing and creating things from scratch. So they're already all together with the instructions. So I hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek at April's paper pumpkin box, and I will have more and I'm gonna put some of these together for you guys so that you can see that. So look forward to that video. Bye. Have a great day.